Describing my family. My family is made up of three people with my mother and my father. My mother is Elizabeth Rincon. She is from Bucaramanga, Santander. She is 60 years old. She has brown eyes and brown hair and short. She is 56 meters tall. She works in a craft company. She is loving and honest. She is a very important person for me. My father is Edgar Hernandez. He is from Piedecuesta, Santander. He is 45 years old. He is 67 meters tall. He is fat, he has black hair and brown eyes. He works in the INPEC of Duitama. He is already retiring. He is very funny. And I am Zayury Hernandez. I am 19 years old. I am from Duitama, Boyacá. I am 57 meters tall. I have brown hair, black eyes, and I study music in the UNAT. I play violin and mandola. My favorite TV show is The Simpsons, and my favorite sport is volleyball. I am responsible and extrovert. I like to ride a bicycle and eat sweets. And this is my family, where are few but very united. Thank you.